Hello, this is me, Engineer Ahmed Bashuri. Now I shall presented the project step number 2 with my group number 2. Kindly to follow. Here, management of innovation project. Group number 4, Ahmed, me, and Jana Saleh Adil, Muhammad Usman. Innovation project overview. Sustainability open plan student campus development for each fab at Halmstad University. Integration of housing, learning spaces, social infrastructure, and green areas. Modularity, radical system, level innovation, new to each fab based on existing technologies. Here our main idea. It consists that we separate the project for separate buildings. The first one is a restaurant with shops and cafe and places for enjoy. Here also there is student housing, library in the center of our plan, and meeting rooms, and the theater, open theater, and here there is the area of gym, and there is a swimming pool. It open and closed. This means it's a flexible structure. Here our steps begin from project scope and life cycle. Initiation, feasibility, vision alignment, feasibility studies, early permit, planning, design, architecture, sustainability planning, WPS, risk analysis, execution, construction technology, development, and landscaping. Here, monitoring and control, stage gates, stakeholder feedback, quality assurance, closure handover, evaluation, and lessons learned. Work breakdown structure, WBS, historical documentation of the project into manageable packages, time-based structure alignment with a multi-years innovation life, supports coordination, control, and learning in complex innovation project. Here our schedule for breakdown structure per 1 year. It shows the work due steps, step by step after step within 1 year, and of course we are talking about the breakdown structure. This is very important point in our plan. Stakeholder identification. Each fab, top management, and the project sponsor. Project management, design, technical, and construction teams. Local authorized, Halmstad municipality. Student and end users, environmental and commercial groups. Here in this schedule, we explain the stakeholders influence matrix. we find that these stakeholders we defined 4 categories. It's comes between high power and high in strict, and there is also low in strict and high in strict, and this is the category here as per schedule, and stakeholders here, and the strategy of the stakeholders in influence matrix. Here we go to the risk management. Here we can find at first innovation project characterized by technical, stakeholder, and regulatory uniquity. Here also risk identified through brainstorming and expert judgment. Probability impact analysis used priorities risk. This is the risk management approach as per our discussion with our team. Here also we will move to risk matrix. It comes between very high risk and came down to high, medium, low, and very low risk. Here key risks and mitigation strategies. Budget overruns mitigated through contractory reserves and stage gate reviews. Primate dailies avoided through early and continuous regulatory engagement. Low stakeholders acceptance mitigated through workshops and feedback loops. Technology performance risks mitigated through pilot testing and phased rollout. Here we have also value-based innovation perspective. Project success is not defined solely by time, cost, and scope performance. A primary focus on long-term economic, social, and environmental value creation. A business value defined by stakeholders. Here, value-based innovation perspective. Project success is not defined solely by time, cost, and scope performance. Primary focus on long-term economic, social, and environmental value creation. Business value defined by stakeholder perception rather than internal metrics. Here, applying value-based innovation principles. Completing the projects on time. Value must be researched continuously. Flexible in monitoring and control. Success is achieved when intended business and social value is realized. In conclusion, we have to mention that each FAB campus represents moderately radical system level innovation integrated stakeholder risk and value perspective are essential for success. The project provides a learning platform for future HVAC innovation in activities. Thank you for good following, and I hope that we explain our idea about the project. Thank you.